Here I have LENOVO Tab 4, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass, remove all kinds of the screen lock methods such as pattern, pin or password. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. So let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key right here and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up, for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as the following fast boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. So let's scroll down to highlight recovery mode and press power key to confirm it. Now the device is booting into recovery mode, so let's just wait a few seconds. And this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset. Right here, this is the option, and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down to yes and press power key to confirm the operation. Right now the device is sweeping all personal data and customized settings. Let's just wait until the Android recovery mode pops up again, and now let's press power key to reboot system now, and the tablet is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your tablet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.